So guys, I know we all are very used to the rice water stuff, but this particular remedy is not your usual rice water. I have gotten a lot of complaints from people about the rice water, what is and what not. A lot of people have complained about the rice water changing the color of their hair. So I decided to carry out a research, and after my research I discovered that this particular remedy is the best combo ever. In fact, it is the bombshell. All we are going to be needing for this are just three ingredients: the rice itself as the base, an egg, and cod liver oil capsules. For the rice, I have gotten questions from so many people. I have recommended this remedy for, asking me what kind of rice should they use. In fact, guys, any type of rice you have is perfectly okay for this. You can use any kind of rice and the result will be absolutely perfect. So guys, after washing the rice, what I did was I parboiled it for, let's say, about 30 minutes, depending on the timing of your gas cooker. So as for mine, it was very fast and the rice was perfectly done within 30 minutes. So you can decide whether to use your blender to blend it, or you can use your Gary turning stick. That's for those people who don't have blender. I don't want you to have any excuse of not using this particular remedy for your hair. So if you don't have blender, you can use your turning stick, and within few minutes everything will be mashed to the best minimum. So what if you don't have blender, make use of your turning stick, it's okay. So after I blended the rice, I actually used my turning stick to do it. So I added my cod liver oil capsules. As you can see in the video, that is exactly what I am doing right now. I made use of 2 capsules for it, so you can see it. Like seriously guys, I can't believe you've watched to this extent without subscribing to my channel. Please guys, subscribe. Feel free to share my videos as they are coming in, like, and also put down your comments in the comment section to be part of my tutorial family. All you just need is to subscribe and click on the notification button, and as soon as I drop any of my videos, you will be the first to get it. Please guys, I beg you, don't watch this video to the end without subscribing. I beg you, please subscribe and let's work together in this channel. I actually added both the egg white and the yolk. So if you know you are not ready to wash this hair for a long time, please don't add the yolk because it's going to tangle your hair. But if you know you are ready to wash it and wash it and wash it until all the dirt are away from your hair, please, you can add the yolk, because the yolk makes it to work faster than just adding only the egg white. One particular thing that is very good about this remedy is that you can use it for both your hair and your face. If you look at my face from this particular place and check the ending of this video, you'll see that there's a total difference on the look of my face. I used a little remnant from it on my face, and in fact the result is so sweet guys. Like, make sure you apply it on your face to clear away any nyama on your face. It's absolutely good. I love it guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.